power of momentum. Let me ask you a question. Nagkaroon po ba kayo ng pagkakataon where sabi mo sa sarili mo, after nyo kumain, may mga hugasing pagkain, hugasing pinggan. Sabi mo sa sarili mo, sandali lang, mamaya ako nahugasan yan, panonoorin ko muna tong movie na to. Or maglalaro muna ako ng video game. Or I'm gonna read this book. Whatever that may be. So, okay, sure. Tunod ka ng TV and so on and so. Hanggang sa naupo ka, nag-relax ka, and what will happen? Ano sa tingin niyo po? What will happen after ka ma-relax? Sleep, get lazy, yun po yung tinatawag na power of momentum. Kaya if you're gonna tell me, Sir John, sorry, I cannot attend, remember that the power of momentum. You are never hovering. Never hover. Alam po yung hover? Naka-steady ka lang, kala mo yung helicopter? Never. There is never. There's only two ways. Either you're going up or you were going down. The reason a lot of people got stuck with their finances, with their income, with their lifestyle, because they got stuck in here. They think, I'm okay naman. Okay naman yung buhay ko. Right? Naalala niyo pa ba yung mga memories ng mga old photos niyo? How slim and sexy you are? But through the years, the months and months, you think you are hovering and say, I'm okay. I don't need exercise. I don't need that diet. Wala naman akong sakit. Wala naman akong nararamdaman. Until one day, boom! Umakyat ka lang ng hagdan. Akala mo puputok na yung dibdib mo. O your friend invited you to play basketball. Mga 2-3 balik pa lang. Akala mo mamamatay ka na. Because you think you are okay. It's not okay. It's not okay. You are never hovering. Never. Tell it to yourself. Never. It's either you're going up, you're going down. Ganun din po sa mga training natin. So if you keep missing all our live training, you think, I'm okay. May recording naman. Mapapanood ka naman. But remember, it's either you're going up or you're going down. And here's what I can guarantee you, my friend. That my successful students, most of them, not all of them, they attend our weekly training. Because every week, nagkakaroon ka ng mga aha and insight and you get motivated. Because mapapansin po ninyo kay Coach John is I won't just teach you what I know. Because success po in business and in life is this. 80% psychology, 20% mechanics. Sir John, ano pong ibig sabihin yung 80% psychology, 20% mechanics? 20% mechanics, ito yung mga how-to. Ito yung, for most people, they think ito yung sikreto to succeed. Like, how to create an ebook, how to sell my ebook, how to do this, how to do that. 20% lamang po. How many times po dyan yung umattend ka ng seminar, you get pumped up, I'm so excited, I want to go home. Or nabasa mo libro, I'm excited, I'm gonna apply this. Sa umpisa, you're okay. But then eventually, you go back to your old self. Or sino po dyan yung nag-diet? Umpisa, wow, you're losing weight. And then eventually, you go back to your old self. So what is the problem? It's not the how-to, right? The how-to, alam po niyo, this thing, it works. Right? Especially yung mga nag-try na mag-diet dyan. You know that this thing works. Then how come you didn't follow through? What do you think is a problem? This is what's missing, my friend. This is what's missing. The psychology, the mindset, the mind conditioning. That is what's missing. Wait, before you go, do not forget to click that red subscribe button below. Appreciate it. Thank you for watching.